Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to give you the information you need to find the correct filter. This is the Carrier Infinity Air Purifier cartridge. It's a MERV 15 filter, and this is the box that it comes in. Of course, this is Carrier Air Purifier filter cartridge, and it says capture and kills on the box as well. The item number is going to be on the side of the box, which is GAPCCCAR1625, and the AO1 is for the 1-pack. So you can find this on atomicfilters.com. And then over here I have the actual air purifier cartridge. It's about 3.5 inches wide. This is the front side of the filter, the white side, and then on the back side of the filter you're going to see it's got the plastic black slats. They're getting ready to redesign this, so I'm not exactly sure what the new look is going to be, but this is the current version, and it is the same as the Bryant. So Bryant and Carrier both do the same cartridge. They're both owned by Carrier. This has the size on the filter on the Infinity series. So on the Infinity series, if you go below the capture and kills and below the date, you're going to see it's got the size, which is GAPCCCAR 1625 is the size. So it's about 16 by 25 by 3.5 inches. So this is your filter. You can find it at atomicfilters.com. It's the MERV 15 Carrier Air Purifier filter.